In this video, I will show you how to turn Bluetooth on and off on your Sony Bravia TV. Now, over here I have the Sony Bravia Google TV, but following similar steps, you should be able to turn on and turn off Bluetooth on any Sony Bravia TV you have, whether it's the Sony Bravia Android TV or even the old Sony Bravia TV. Now, to do this, basically you want to head over to the settings of your Sony Bravia TV. So just scroll horizontally until you get to the settings icon, usually at the top right corner of the TV. And from the settings, you just want to scroll down until you get to the remote and accessory settings over here. Go ahead and click on it, and from here you should be able to see the Bluetooth option over here. So I can go ahead and turn it on by just, mine is already turned on, and if I want to turn it off, I'll go ahead and select Bluetooth and then click on OK, and automatically Bluetooth will be turned off on my Sony Bravia TV over here. To turn it on again, I'll go ahead and select it, and automatically Bluetooth will as well be turned on the Sony Bravia TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.